The open then close driver window warning is a common issue in Chevrolet Cruze vehicles that indicates a problem with the power window system's calibration. This warning message appears on your dashboard display when the vehicle's window calibration system has lost its reference points. This issue primarily affects Chevrolet Cruze models manufactured between 2011 and 2019, with earlier model years experiencing higher occurrence rates. The Auto Up feature allows one-touch window operation and includes safety features like obstacle detection. This system requires precise calibration to function properly. The body control module is the brain of the window system. It tracks window positions, stores calibration data, and monitors the system for safety issues. Several factors can cause the system to lose calibration. The most common include battery issues, faulty window components, wiring problems, and mechanical obstructions. This warning appears as a safety precaution. Without proper calibration, the system cannot accurately detect window position or prevent potential pinching hazards. So it disables the Auto Up feature until the issue is resolved. The first step in fixing the window warning is attempting a manual recalibration procedure. This simple process resolves the issue in about 85% of cases. Start by turning your ignition to the on position, but keep the engine off. This powers the electrical systems without starting the car. Next, lower the driver's window completely using the manual control. Do not use the auto down feature. Once the window stops, continue holding the down button for 2 to 3 additional seconds. Now raise the window completely using manual control. Again, avoid the Auto Up feature. Hold the up button for 2 to 3 seconds after the window reaches the top position. Finally, test the Auto Up and Auto Down functionality to confirm the recalibration was successful. If the warning persists, we need to check the battery system. If recalibration doesn't work, the next step is checking your car's battery. A weak battery below 12.4 volts is the most common underlying cause of this warning. You should also test the charging system. With the engine running, the alternator should output between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. This ensures the battery stays properly charged. For persistent issues that don't resolve with recalibration or battery service, professional diagnostics may be needed. A mechanic can use specialized tools to identify the root cause. Technicians can also test the window motor's current draw and examine the electrical circuit. This circuit diagram shows the key components involved in the window control system. Most cases resolve with the simple recalibration procedure or basic battery maintenance. Professional diagnostics are typically only needed for complex electrical faults or component failures.